Hey guys, my name is Yannick Mounts and I'm a shitty piano player. But today I will show you how to sound like a pro even if you're not, to create super sick leads like this. There are two tools that you need to sound pro. First one is a quantizer, free Max for Live MIDI device, and the second one is a scale plugin from Ableton. Here we are in our PML live set. We've created a whole academy for this, so if you want to learn everything we did here, just check that out. Alright, so we have two DJ decks and then we have our stems of some super nice tracks, and we've made some synth groups with different kind of synths. But for this tutorial I've chosen this one. So this track is in Dorian starting on B. I have actually no clue how to play this track, and that's where our first effect comes in. We need a scaler. So in Ableton you have this MIDI effect, which is called scale. You'd simply type in scale. And there is this preset called Dorian mode. So for this track we just simply double click in here. This will automatically sync any MIDI input, any note input from any of those two devices that we will use to the scale. Now it's syncing our MIDI information to C, which is not the scale root note that we're in. So we need to turn this all the way to the right to B. So now we're all good and all set up. So now I can press any key here on this keyboard. I cannot do any note wrong here. So let's play the instrumental. That sounded scale-wise okay, but it was super shitty in timing. And that's where the secret sauce of this video comes. It's this Max for Live Quantize device. It's super simple and it's for free. So support those people building those tools because they're super sick. So you just import that right at the beginning of your MIDI track, and then you switch to whatever note value you want to play. I would recommend 16th notes, that's perfectly fine. So now if I switch to 16th notes, all the notes that I will play on this piano will first get synced to the beat, to the 16th grid, and then get synced to the scale. So there's really nothing that I can do wrong. So that's cool, but if you're still a little bit frightened by this little colleague right here, we have an even easier way. We have our launchpad right here. So we're in session mode, which is cool to trigger all of our different clips, but that's something for the live. If you want to know how to use this, definitely check out the course. We'll go in detail with everything that you can hear here, but for now we want to use the keys feature. So this is now basically more like a drum pad. So now really it's completely brain rot playing. It's so easy. I can just press anything right here and play with the launchpad. So check this out. Really, it's completely sick. You can do anything. Sorry, I forgot one last thing. We can even go crazier. Let's push in an arpeggiator right after this. Okay. Set it to whatever rate you want. Maybe we go high with the octaves here, 3 octaves. Okay, you get the idea. It's completely crazy. You can go crazy with these tools. And if you find more crazy stuff out about playing live, check out our Live Academy.